That's the best part.
The best part, you got joke, we have a plunger.
Huwag nang magpasosyal.
I can't believe it.
Subo na lang, subo ang balot.
Alright.
Ow, yummy.
Yummy, eat that head.
Alright, sige, good for you. Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, watch.
4 minutes and 34 seconds.
Let's watch our 5 predator.
At habang kumakain na tayo dito ay magpasalamat tayo sa Philippine Nurses Association of New Jersey, and they will be having a great convention at the Atlantic Center on November 7 and 8, everybody, with the president of the association. And mamaya po yung daughter Yusenya will be performing in a short while, alright?
Also,
Okay.
I'd like to thank the sponsor, first and second mortgage, Dental Associate, Pretty Bake Shop, RDR Cargo Express, Honda, Telefly.
The time is 4 minutes and 1 second, everybody.
FilipinoExpress.com, Asian Journal, Journal.com,
Bilis at
Filipino Reporter,
pakiramdam ko, malaki na tayo kumain ng napakasarap na barbecue partner.
Alright, thanks also the Radio Pinoy. And also thanks again to Lacy Salon.
Correct, and I would like to say thank you very much to my closet for my hearing bed. Thank you very much for my closet, for my outfit for today, and thank you very much to Virgin Coconut Oil for our makeup partner.
I like that. Thank you for the baking powder for my makeup.
3 minutes and 90 seconds. Come on!
Come on down! I mean, come down your tummy. That's what I'm saying.
Hindi, bitin ba yung 5 minutes?
No. It's a rule. The first prize, you won another balloon.
3 minutes, 3 seconds, everybody. And siyempre, thank you very much po. Maya-maya pa po tayo. Meron tayong contestant, pare.
We have a contestant.
Yeah, sasali dyan sa ating tawanan contest. Ayan, matawa talaga kaya tayo.
Hey, no knocking
Oh, sila ang matawa. Siya ang matatawa sa audience.
That's right.
Abangan natin.
What
This
happened?
is the second year, partner. Second year.
What happened? The bone stuck in your throat?
Okay, kaya mo yan. Isipin mo lang na, ano yan?
Alright.
Ayan na, malapit na.
Alright.
Galingan mo, tumaya ako ng 20 sa'yo.
Medic!
Tinayaan kita ng 20. Yung 20 ko, allowance ko yan for 1 week.
They're all sexy.
Nakasalalay sa'yo ang $20 ko. Alright, $2, 20 minutes, 10, 20 seconds.
Oh, 2 minutes and 19 seconds.
Alright, we extended it to 30 minutes. 30 minutes na lamang po at matatapos na po tayo sa ating calls. Actually, 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Ayan po mga kaibigan. Nakikita nyo po sila. Tumatakbo. Paliko. Ayan. Ayan. Sabi ko na nga ba, tama ang tinayan ko, partner. Sigurado na ako, may $20 ako extra for today. Alright, a minute and 49 seconds.
A minute and 41 seconds, ladies and gentlemen.
Ayan,
the more you eat it, the more you get dizzy.
Talaga naman, kaya mo yan. Huwag mo isipin, hindi mo kaya. You know, again, tandaan mo, 20, it's mind over matter. Tandaan mo lang ang $20. Oh, kaya mo yan. Ikaw.
Whoa.
Samputin mo yan. Bawal
If you
yan.
throw that out, you're gonna eat it.
No. Tandaan mo, ang inilabas mo, ipapasok mo uli. So,
Yes, I just don't know what it meant.
Self-control ang tawag dyan. Self-control.
Self-control. Control you behind.
Kaya mo pa yan. Ayan. Kung hindi ka kontento, yung kabila, gawa mo ng balot, kainin mo na rin.
Wow.
Tandaan mo yan.
Look at
20
that.
para kay MJ. 20.
Ooh, I can see the CC.
Alright, 1 minute, 3 seconds, everybody.
Everybody.
Marami na po, nakita niya, namumula na siya. Pero kayang-kaya niya, inaagawan ng katabi niya dahil hindi sa kontento sa kanyang 20 balot. Nako, talaga naman. Ayan na po. Kaya mo yan.
Alright. Okay.
Bembente ko dito, syempre, kailangan i-encourage ko siya.
How many seconds so far we have?
Ay, teka muna, nag-stop na frozen phone ko. 40 seconds, everybody.
40 seconds, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright.
We're gonna count the egg, okay?
Alright.
Not including your
Marami na,
egg.
isumo mo na yan. Sige, kaya mo pa yan. Ikaw, naka-body words ka pa. Wala, hina mo.
Oh,
Alright, 24 seconds, everybody.
it's not body work, it's booty work.
Yan. Ariel, kaya mo yan.
Alright, wow.
Alright, 15 seconds, everybody. Let's all count together.
Oh.
Ready? 10, 9,
10,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up!
Alright, thank you. Give me some balloon.
Woo! Back on the stage. Come on, everybody. Come up here.
All right, come up here. Now you